Hey guys, good morning. Can't even see me. So today's Saturday and I'm at my house. I'm not at Kai's house anymore. I was sleeping and I just woke up and realized there was no Friday video whatsoever. So I wanted to say sorry. And my Friday video was going to be on my monk and health awareness and just stuff like that in general. But I think I'll do that for this coming Friday. So I'm gonna have some cereal. I got the good stuff. I don't think I'm gonna have it right now. I have a cold, so my throat hurts, and like I'm really stuffy right in this area. Not here, but like this way. So I'm like, is it my sinuses? Do I have a cold? What is this? And I keep looking this way because I'm like looking at the camera, but the camera's on this side. So I don't know if we're gonna be upside down for a second, but yeah. So that was it for this update thing about Fridays. And is that my goal? Anyway, bye guys.